Hello guys, let me export some things from drawing for you. Open up, select box, create table. In a few clicks, most boring thing is done. Today I would like to make a short presentation of a ABIM plugin. Its purpose, automation of a takeoff. It allows to quickly calculate quantities and provide result in a table form. It requires some setup to make it work for your case, but when it's done, it allows you to get result in a few clicks, which is awesome. With this and some other advantages, it works much more cleaner and straight than any other solutions. If you have something better, please let me know in the comments. So, this app is based on top of attributed block methodology. First, what you need to have is a block library with attributes field. As soon as you made it, things became way more simple. If you're familiar with the ABIM approach, you could find some common pattern. However, AutoCAD out this type of things from a stone age. So we have a blocks with properties. Now we could call application, select those blocks and get result. For example, here is some space, some of the space, and we need to go get the quantity. But the best thing is now we able not just have it, but also modify it. And we could do it directly from a table with the quantities. We could fix mistakes, and actually, for example, here office desks, I would like to select it. Now I'm able to see all my office desks, which is behind this row. We could do some changes here in model. For example, this one would be not a card cabinet but other. And as soon as I made it, I'm able to refresh the data. So now I have my other cabinet, and probably, yeah, let's make it 6. So the connection is the both way. I could make some changes in my model space, or I could make some changes in my table space, and it will be saved in my model. Awesome. And the best things, now I'm able to make it as if in a table format. And let me just show you quickly once again how easy this thing may be. For example, here I have some more blocks and table. Okay, this is the result which I could get in just a second. So now I could make any changes, add some different values, blocks, etc. Made new lines. Or what I have to do is just select the blocks, and my table with all changes is already here. It's already ready to be printed. This result could be presented also as Excel table. If you notice, size of each column is a constant, and this is possible due to templates, where we go to the template editor. For the first glance it might look a little bit tricky. In the next video I will explain how it works in details, what each column is used for, but how you already may notice, here we have some attributes names. We could assign title, we could set it up with, we could do some aggregation and grouping, and for example group by is what you couldn't do with data extraction feature. Also here we have some utility It's not so many, but this is half. So this is our office space, and I would like to add some furniture and maybe more, but in this case I would like to rotate it and maybe made some mirror. Assign which attributes you would like to change. Label in this case, select the box, and height is 250, rotation 0. Apply changes. Now all attributes, all label attributes are exact the same name, looks exact the same way, and we could easily fix this kind of things for entire project. Or for example here we have a PC, and let's make a couple copies of it, and for some reason I would like to have it not here but right below. Select it and move. So pretty awesome.